Principle: if an excess of sodium hydroxide is added to ammonium chloride and boiled, ammonia will evolve according to the following reaction. NH4Cl plus NaOH be transferred to NaCl plus H2O. Residual sodium hydroxide is back titrated with standard hydrochloric acid using methyl orange indicator. Procedure: into a conical flask transfer 10 ml mixture, add 25 ml 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide, boil till no ammonia odor, add 5 drops methyl orange, titrate with 0.1 normal hydrochloric acid till the end point. End point: yellow into orange.